If you're over 50 and you're struggling with low back pain, you're not alone. In fact, about 84% of adults struggle with low back pain at some point in their lives. And the World Health Organization actually say it's a leading cause of disability. And some of the recommendations that they make is around strengthening, stretching, mobilizing, and being more active than we currently are. And as a personal trainer for the last 10 years helping people over 40, I actually agree with that. So many people come into our facility with low back pain, and if we get them moving and we strengthen the right muscles and stretching the right muscles, we can see a massive decrease in back pain. In this video, I'm going to share with you one simple stretch that I share with my clients, and I'm also going to share with you a full body workout that you can follow as well. And it's totally free. I'll send it over to you via email. And if you want to jump ahead and get that guide straight away, just comment strength and I'll send that over to you. But otherwise, let's just dive in and we'll have a look at this stretch. Now, before we go straight into stretching the muscle, it's always a good option to mobilize the muscle in the joint a little bit, warm up the muscles a little bit. You just sort of warm that up. There's no point stretching a freezing cold muscle. You might sort of make it even worse. So this is something I used to learn doing martial arts as well before we started training, and it's literally just moving your hips, okay? So what I want you to do is stand with your shoulder width apart, and I just want you to roll your hips forward and back. Now, I've been struggling with the lower back pain for about 4 weeks. I just woke up with a sore back for no apparent reason. And this is a really nice way to get my hips moving, get some blood and synovial fluid into my joints, and you can go back the other way as well. And what it does is just starts to work those muscles, get those joints moving, get some blood in there, get some synovial fluid going. And it's a really great way to start loosening up that sort of lower back portion. The next thing I want you to do then is jump onto the floor. I'm going to drop our knees to the side this way, and oops, my money's coming out, and this way, and drop it that way. So once you put your head down on the floor if you want to, or whatever's comfortable for you, and you're just going to do this 10 times. So when you're doing your hip circles, you can go 10 forward and 10 the other way, and you come down and you're going to do 10, maybe 15, 20, whatever you feel comfortable with doing that. Okay, so now my back already feels a little bit looser than it was. Now once you've loosened that out just a little bit, what I want you to do is very straightforward. You can do this in bed, you can do it on the floor, watching TV or whatever. You're going to put one leg down straight and this leg is up pointing into the ceiling. I want you to take this hand and pull it up onto your knee and drop your knee down towards the floor. And with this arm, sweep it up and take it that way. And you're going to feel a stretch that goes from your glute all the way up to your chest, and you're going to hold it there for a second as well. And you're going to look over to your hand, so don't look towards the camera, look away, and you're just going to hold it. Now what I want you to do is take a big deep breath in. As you breathe out, you're going to relax into that stretch and feel, and just relax the muscles and let your arm go down. You can see my arms going a little bit further. Once you breathe out all the way, you're going to breathe in, and you're going to repeat the process and take it back out. And with this hand, you can actually pull on it a little bit if you want, but not to the point of painful, just to the point of stretching. And you're going to hold it there beautifully. And then from the other side, where it looks like one leg up, one leg down, take it over, take the arm back, and look at the hand. Now, from the front, what it looks like is this way. Take it over, sweep the arm back to unlock, take your hand out to the side and relax. And what you find is that you'll be able to touch the floor the better you get, but you'll have a beautiful stretch coming up there which is going to really relieve your lower back. Now, you only need to do this for about 30 seconds each side and repeat that 3 times. So you do 30 seconds left, 30 seconds right, rest for 30 seconds and repeat the process, do it 2 more times. And what you'll find is if you do this on a daily basis, you're going to find that your lower back pain really feels, way less than what it is. So you never guarantee to get rid of it, but you can maybe dial down the volumes. If you're stiff 6, 7, 8 or 10 in the morning, you might dial down to 2, 3 and 4. Now, if you really want to get the lasting relief, okay, this is the key. You have to strengthen your lower back and you have to strengthen your glutes and your core, because the thing of it is your lower back joints sit on top of each other and your muscles act as like scaffolding along the spine. So if you've got weak muscles, all the joints do all the work and all that load is on the joints. Now, if you've got strong muscles, they support the joints and they make your lower back and joints have a much easier time holding themselves upright. And I've got a full body workout that you can get. It's called, and all you have to do is comment strength down below, and I will send that over to you in a PDF. Because the workout I'm going to send you will literally have, strengthen every single muscle of the body. And it's going to be a fantastic way to keep you strong, keep you fit and healthy, and also support your lower back. So comment strength and I'll send that over. Now, if you like the video, let me know in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. Did you try it? Did you get relief? I know our clients here at the gym get a lot of relief from doing this exercise. It seems simple, but sometimes simple is best. And we just need to work through this and repeat the process daily. So let me know in the comments how you got on. And I'm going to leave a video in the top corner there for you to follow. It'll be something that YouTube recommends, so hopefully you like it. So jump over to that video and I'll see you there. Take care, team. Bye-bye.